In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Yahoo My Homepage in Google Chrome. By the end of this walkthrough, every time you open Chrome, it will go straight to Yahoo, making it faster to get to your favorite news, mail, and search. Start by opening Google Chrome on your computer. You can use any operating system. The steps look almost identical on Windows, macOS, and Linux. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the window for the three-dot icon. This is Chrome's main menu, sometimes labeled Customize and Control Google Chrome. Click that icon to open the drop-down, then choose Settings. Settings will open in a new tab so you can keep browsing while you adjust things. In the Settings tab, glance at the left-hand sidebar and click on Startup. This section controls what Chrome shows you the moment it starts. What we're doing here is setting your startup page, which for most people is the same thing as their home page. It's the page that appears automatically when you launch the browser. Select the option that says Open a specific page or set of pages. This tells Chrome not to open a blank new tab page or restore whatever you had opened before, but instead to load exactly what you choose. You'll see controls to add pages. Click Add a new page. A small box will appear asking for a site address. In the URL field, type yahoo.com. You don't have to enter the full HTTPS address. Chrome will handle that for you. Double-check the spelling so it doesn't take you somewhere unexpected, and then click Add. You should now see yahoo.com listed as one of the pages that will open at startup. If you only want Yahoo, make sure it's the only entry there. To confirm everything works, relaunch Chrome. The simplest way is to close all Chrome windows and then open Chrome again. As soon as it starts, it should load Yahoo automatically. If multiple tabs open, that means you've set more than one startup page, which is fine if that's what you prefer. If Yahoo doesn't appear, revisit the On Startup section and make sure the option for a specific page is selected and that yahoo.com is listed correctly. And that's it. You've set Yahoo as your homepage in Google Chrome, so you're ready to browse right where you want to start.